Hello guys, we're on our way back home. We're passing the Senneville. The other side has lots of nice houses. See, that's village. This Senneville garage. I will show you. Oh my god! They have a party there. I will show you our journey for today. It's the houses, different kinds of houses. May maliit, may malaki, may maganda, may pangit. Talagang ganun. Ganun lang ang buhay. Si Lavi. Guys, stop array. Sa pikas, mga nindot nga balay, mga dagko. Kasi that's along the lake. Pero there is a pikas naman ay wala pa. Na Tisla. I miss it. You know, the daughter of Madame Gunilla told me that the house of the ex-president is somewhere here. Is it true? The first president of Canada. First prime minister, I mean. MacDonald, no? Kingston. Maybe the brother or the sister or something. I just don't remember where was that. Where? No. Oh, that is the. You know, before, after the flood, this one is closed. That is 40 West, no? Start. St. Annabelle 40 West. We're going to the east now. That is, yeah, Tiniquip. Yeah, that is, say the Tiniquip. Did you know what is the Tiniquip, sweetheart? What are they doing? I meant to say, what company is it? Ito, ang daanan namin malabo lang kasi. Yeah, it's a small road. Maganda yan, malabo lang kasi marumi yung salamin. Ayan, may construction dito sa kabila. What are they doing? Okay, is that the oh, that's nice to start. It's a park there. Oh, I think this is the green leaves. On this will be orange, yellow, red color. Oh guys, these are the villa here. You see that? That's a villa, big house, but di makita. Okay guys, kahoy na lang ang makikita kasi mahaba ang ano nila, yung ginagawa nilang fence ay yung halaman. I mean, noon, last time when it rained so much and it was flooding here. There you go. That is a gala also. Mga mayaman diha sa pikas. Ito naman Is this the house of what's that? The cheese? Saputo. Well, dyan si pa si Kiji over here. We cannot really see properly. There guys. Beautiful houses there along the lake. You can see there. And I will move again to this other side. Ay. Ang lalaki ng mga bahay dito. Ayan, there's another one. It's a villa too. You see? You can see. How can I see? There. Because there's a lot of trees. The trees cover their houses. Look how big it is. See guys? Huge house. And there's small houses that is for their helpers. Yeah guys, iba talaga ang mayaman. Ala, tingnan na lang natin. Mayaman din tayo, di ba? Mayaman ang puso, kapusuan. Oops, I move again here. On the right side. I think napas na namin yung kuan kay Saputo. Yan, ang malalaking kahoy. Yan ang green. What is that, sweetheart? Oh, they are, I think that is plants. Like the weeds. Oh, did you know, sweetheart, that they have a store for the marijuana there? Yeah, I see in my video. Look. Huh? This is the street of Madam Gunila. That is here. I work sometimes. Sometimes they have a film there, so that here they make a film. I see sometimes when I visit my friend. Look, it's a garden. Oh, look, they're fixing it. It's very bad that one when I see there's they're starting to fix. Park Agricole, I don't know. Hindi ko mabasa. See? It's beautiful. I'm so grateful my husband bring me here today. I always wanted to come here to bike, but he doesn't want. He's scared I will drop dead. But I'm good biking. You know guys, I can bike 3-4 hours. It's easy. Bisan tigo lang na mabilis pa rin magbike. Ayan o. Bulaklak din yan. Tinitinda din yan. Kailang it's white. You cannot pick it up just like that. Magalit ang gobyerno dito. Mahuhulihin. Oh, that's new. Yeah, I think that was not there before, sweetheart. A lot changed. Yeah. Oh, look at the trees, sweetheart. It's start. Change now. It's going to be fall. Ang ganda dito mga trees kapag ka, ayan o, look at the colors. It start changing. It's orange, yellow, green. Skies over you. Banana seed. Papa seed, mama seed. I love you. There. Oh, my airplane. What is that? Au revoir, Senneville. So that is my way. There, my husband is passing this way. So we are passing the. Is it here, sweetheart? Remember, that is the beach.
Me when I was young, that was a beach.
Huh?
Over there.
Oh, that's
We can do
nice.
exactly.
Lot of changes. See along the lake here. People here loves to live or to buy houses near the lake. Kasi walang dagats dito. Except kung pupunta kayo ng New Brunswick, Newfoundland.
The beach was there, and there was a camping.
Oh yeah? Where is the beach now?
That was a camping. This
No more
thing
beach.
was a beach.
Yeah, Park Nature, the Lansdowne. Oh yeah, there.
You want to see?
Yeah, I can do the video a little bit. Oh God, what are you doing, sweetheart?
He has to turn around, maybe.
Okay, turn around. My husband is giving me a promenade. It's so nice today. It's wonderful husband today. Today and every day. Where are you coming this way? It's there. Oh yeah. Today and every day. Where? No. Oh yeah, maybe. We just turn around even if we don't come down. No, you cannot go there by the car, I guess. Yeah, yes, you can.
There's a road.
Oh yeah.
What's that?
Okay.
Can I be?
But be careful. Oh, there's people there.
Where? The other side?
Yeah. Station Montpellier. But that was before, no? Here. I think he's somewhere there. I think I have to wear my mask. Hello guys, I'm going to wear my mask because I'm going down, but I think it's okay. I think I'm going down. I will walk. Oh, the squirrel. Sweetheart, I will walk. Okay? I'm going to walk around. Yeah. This way here, I will show you.